So what we have here is a broken gas cap. This happens to be a 98 Blazer, but this is going to be it's going to be applicable to just about anything. Now the gas cap itself is fine. You see the tether here has gotten really stiff with age and it's cracked. And unfortunately they do not sell these tethers by themselves, they just don't. So the only thing you can do is actually replace the entire cap. Now I do have a replacement here. See that it's come handy enough with several different size connectors. I'll show you the install on that first. What we're going to do, I'll show you the removal of the old one first. This should just pull out with the needle nose pliers. I'm going to probably want both hands for this though, so I'm going to turn off the video for just a moment and pry that easy. It's come on in a couple pieces, but there's the hole went in right there. You just got to pop in one of the new ones. I have to do a little trial and error to find the right size though. New one here, and right away you see that this is a lot more flexible. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take the little connector here, put a little plug through there, and again I might have to mess with this to find the right plug, but then you just pop it back into the hole. This is a little bit too big, so I'm gonna go grab one of the others. So I think I have the right size here. So I'm right, I should just be able to push this in with some force, and there we go. So not going anywhere. So off with the old and on with the new. Easy enough.